Hello sir, I am here from TuFee app. Today we will learn about expenses in the app. Let's create an expense category first. Open the app dashboard and click on the expenses icon. The first option is expenses, and the second option is the expense category. I must recommend that create an expense category first. Click on the expense category and the app will open the expense category list. If available, then the app will show a list here. After that, click on the plus icon from the top of the screen and set expense category name and click save. And done, we have added the expense category into the app. Now let's add expenses to that category. Click on the expense icon again and now click on expenses. Here app will show you the date range of expenses and shows expenses that occurred in this time period. Click on add icon and add expense screen will appear. Select expense category from the list. Then select expense date, next expense amount, and then last is expense details. And click on save. Wow, we had successfully added an expense category as well as an expense into that category. So this is all about the expense in the app. You can check all your expenses summary in the app reports. Thank you for watching this video. Good day, good morning, good night, whenever you are watching this video.